Very few boat builders have shaped modern cruising catamarans the way that Lagoon has. Their reputation is built on comfort, innovation, and just creating boats that people genuinely love to live aboard.
Today we're excited to introduce one of the newest members of the Lagoon family, the 2026 Lagoon 38.
And this isn't just a standard 38. This yacht has been equipped with some of the most desirable factory options available. Whether you're planning weekends at your favorite anchorage or preparing for serious offshore cruising, this package has everything you would want and more.
As we step aboard, the first feature that everyone notices is the new stern extensions. They make stepping on and off the boat extremely easy. And I would also like to point out the beautiful Iroko cockpit sole. It adds warmth, excellent footing, and gives the entire cockpit a premium yacht finish.
Everyone who has been aboard the 38 comments on how connected the cockpit and salon feel. Lagoon has seamlessly blurred the line between inside and outside. Open these doors and suddenly the cockpit and salon become one continuous entertaining space.
The interior and exterior table configurations offer a versatile layout. You can configure the seating for dinner with friends, convert this into a large daybed, or simply enjoy morning coffee while taking in the anchorage. The legs, leaf, and cushions all store smartly under the settee. Every inch matters on a cruising boat, and Lagoon made this space incredibly functional without sacrificing comfort. As a captain and an instructor, I can honestly say this is one of my favorite helm designs that Lagoon has ever made. With visibility at the helm, full cockpit enclosure that comes with the vessel is great underway in the sun and even in the rain. Everything is within arm's reach. With all the sail controls leading to the helm, it's easy for one person to manage the boat. And I can also even access the coach roof from here.
Lagoon utilizes Harken deck hardware, which is trusted all around the world. The winches, blocks, and control systems are smooth, dependable, and built for thousands of miles of cruising.
Navigation duties are handled by a full suite of Raymarine electronics. This package includes two very important safety upgrades, the Quantum 2 Doppler radar and AIS. Not only does it identify targets, it incorporates collision avoidance technology that makes interpreting traffic much easier. Vessels don't just appear on your screen, your boat appears on theirs as well. That's a huge confidence builder at night or when navigating through high-traffic coastal areas.
As we step inside, the immediate customer feedback that we always receive is that the salon feels much larger than a 38-foot boat. The panoramic windows flood the salon with natural light. We have opening hatches for excellent ventilation, a ton of counter space for meal prep and bartending duties, and an abundance of storage. This 32-inch smart TV can work as a repeater for your plotter, allowing you to keep watch away from the helm.
The galley comes exceptionally well equipped with 79 gallons of fridge and freezer space, a 3-burner stove, and a stainless steel freshwater filtered sink with a saltwater option.
This particular Lagoon is equipped with the optional comfort package. These are practical upgrades that owners enjoy every single day. You've got a freshwater deck inlet and freshwater washdown pump in the anchor locker, not to mention electric quiet flush toilets, cabin fans throughout, indirect mood lighting, and a Fusion Bluetooth stereo that delivers fantastic sound throughout the boat. Stainless steel davits come standard with this package, making tender handling quick and secure. These aren't flashy options, these are features that make life aboard noticeably more comfortable.
The 3-cabin layout dedicates the entire porthole to the owner. That means a spacious private suite with an all-new layout. The master berth is forward, where ventilation is enhanced. The ensuite head is aft with a shower and built-in bench that your partner will love. There is noticeably more storage than other boats in this class. This desk and vanity are situated amidship, providing ample privacy when needed. The starboard side features 2 private cabins with a shared head, and we have equipped one of the 4 peaks with an additional crew berth. If you're living aboard or spending extended time cruising, this layout makes all the difference.
Behind the scenes, this Lagoon has systems that modern cruisers demand. She is powered by twin Yanmar 29 horsepower motors. The diesel generator and inverter provides reliable AC power while away from the dock, while over 1,400 watts of solar panels constantly replenish the battery banks. For onboard comfort, 2 Webasto reverse cycle units keep the entire boat comfortable inside, and the desalinator water maker means you're producing up to 15 gallons of fresh water per hour. Lagoon paired that with a larger water heater and an additional freshwater tank, giving you the capacity to support longer showers, meal prep, and extended cruising without constantly searching for a marina.
Of course, none of this matters if the boat isn't enjoyable to sail, and Lagoon made sure this model came out with a powerful and responsive sail plan. The Elvstrom sail package starts with a square top mainsail, which gives you more sail area aloft for improved light air performance. The self-tacking jib makes every tack effortless. No one ever has to leave the helm. And when conditions lighten up, roll out the Mylar Code Zero. It flies from its own dedicated furler and completely transforms light wind sailing.
This new Lagoon 38 is proof that you don't need a 50-foot catamaran to have true cruising capabilities.
If your dream is exploring the islands, crossing oceans, or just spending more weekends on the water, this Lagoon 38 will help you on all those adventures.
We'd love to show you this incredible new catamaran in person. Contact us today to schedule your private tour of the all-new 2026 Lagoon 38.